So here I am again. I'm gonna remove the fish from the pot because they're all fried. Okay, I'm gonna have next snapper some. Meantime that is frying, let me take it over here. So here we have two fish. We have one goldfish and one snapper fish, and we're gonna lay the sauce over it. This smells so good. So we're gonna just take it up, lay it over the fish like this. And as I said before, I just add the pimento seed for decoration purpose. So this is what it looked like, Escovitch fish. And again, we have two fish, one goat and one snapper. So that's all, folks. I'll catch you next time when I do my brown steamed fish. So my son and I, Kirk, we're gonna enjoy these two fish right now. And you have a blessed day. Goodbye.